Today, I am out of my clinic to visit another clinic, but this one has a cafe and a car wash too. And so if ever you are in Balamban or makabisiti kag Balamban or kung gikapoy ka nga ni sa city and want to have a quick dining destination, try considering this cafe. It is quite a surprise to have a cafe like this in Balamban and may pa-merchandise pa sila. It is a perfect place for catching up, chill lang, and the ambience and the view is really relaxing. They are located along Cambuhawe Road, or if ever maglisod man mo, you may just Google or Waze Ace Dental Clinic, Cafe plus Car Wash. So if ever you run or you do bike, then try considering this as your destination. I have to give kudos og applause gyud sa ilahang gender-neutral restroom. Diba? Mas may pa sila na nagyudayon. And they also have an open dining area in which you are really sure and safe, and of course makalanghap jud ka sa presko kaayo na hangin. So what we are having is their mushroom burger in which tag 70 pesos to ni siya. So try to imagine shiitake mushroom for 70 pesos. This warlock nachos for 80 pesos. Nga lami sa kay siya more garlic sauce nga napagyud siya pagka-cheesy. And this Adinator's pork belly nga murag magliampo man tako pero kanina lang sa gid kay murag lami sa jud kayo sa tan-awon, iyang pagka-juice, and of course for brunch purposes nagpa-additional ko og egg. And they also have this Ace chicken adobo. And they also have ang ngoyong too. The moment pagkakita nako sa ngoyong, murag familiar kaayo ang ngoyong, so I ask if ever they make it or naa sila supplier. And they mention nga kani sila naa sila supplier for this. And feel nako kaila ko kung kinsa kay this is one of my favorite ngoyong gyud. And confirm. I know kung kakinsa ni siya ngoyong if ever you have been following me, and if ever you use my GIF, this is the ngoyong I'm eating. So if ever wala pa niyo nagamit akong kaunta nga GIF or GIF, try to search ngoyong and for sure mo gawas na siya. Pangitaag yun ninyo now na. And after eating lunch, naasa sila roof deck na nindot kayo tambayan for an afternoon coffee or with tea. And added also guys nga naasad sila croissants. Yes, they have croissants here in Balamban. They even have a plain and a chocolate, and what we are trying now are the plain ones, and it is so buttery. Reminder guys, they are only open from Tuesdays to Sundays. And also always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!